Welcome back to Course 101, Symbol Fundamentals. In this course, we will take a look into the Symbol Consensus Protocol. First, we need to understand what a consensus protocol is. Recall that Symbol is a decentralized peer-to-peer system, and consensus protocol is the dynamic method through which a blockchain system reaches agreement and makes decisions about which block is to be added to the chain without a central authority. As of now, there are two well-known types of consensus protocols in the industry, which are proof of work and proof of stake. However, both of these types have their shortfalls. Proof of work is secure but extremely expensive, as it requires a lot of computing power and consumes a huge amount of electricity and money. Proof of stake is energy efficient, but it favors those who have a bigger stake, propagating the rich get richer problem. Symbol Public Chain uses a modified proof of stake protocol named Proof of Stake Plus. The Proof of Stake Plus protocol is designed to promote the health of the blockchain ecosystem, and so it rewards those who actively participate in the network. Let's look more in depth at how Proof of Stake Plus works. As explained previously, a blockchain is essentially decentralized ledgers called blocks. Each ledger contains a cryptographic hash of the previous ledger, a time state, and some transaction data. Cryptographically linked ledgers form the blockchain. On Symbol, the process of creating a new block is referred to as harvesting. An account can participate in that harvesting process by running a node or delegate its importance score to a remote node. In order to harvest, an account needs to stake a minimum XYM and has a non-zero importance score. The account harvesting the new block is referred to as the harvester. It will receive a reward made up of the fees from the transactions in the block and new mosaics injected in the circulation when every block is formed. Symbol blockchain is inflationary. The harvesters are chosen on probabilities determined by their importance score, calculated over an interval of time, which is determined by three factors. First, the total amount of harvesting mosaic stakes by the harvesting account. The larger the stake, the bigger the chance an account gets to harvest a new block. Second, the total amount of transaction fees paid by the harvesting account. This encourages its active participation in the network. Thirdly, the number of times an account is a beneficiary of a block. The beneficiary is an account set by a node which will receive part of the harvesting rewards that goes to the harvesting account delegated on the node. Though not necessary, a beneficiary account is usually owned by a node owner. More nodes in the network lead to a more robust and stable network. You'll learn more about harvesting and inflation, and will be discussed in other videos. Symbol, powering possibility.